Well, we are April 4th, and it looks like Mother Nature was late with her April Fool's joke on us. I guess we really have been pranked over here in Montreal. So we had a surprising drop of 25 centimeters starting last night around, I think it started really snowing around 11 p.m. We had some lightning that really lit up the sky in a strange greenish color. Well, I never expected snow in April. Alright. Lots of videos coming, guys. Stellar Blade, Tekken, maybe some more three-body problem videos. We'll see. Who knows? Man. Well, this really sucks. So we had an evergreen on our front yard, and due to all the heavy snowfall we had overnight leading to today, and it is pretty damn heavy snow, our evergreen collapsed, and that sucks. Damn it.